Absolutely not.
Get out of here. Let me organize things. Now I need to figure out what else I can organize. I'm sure he'll let me do whatever I want. Good morning. I made an Amazon order the other day. I have this big box of coat hangers because today I'm going to be organizing my boyfriend's closet. This was his idea and my response was absolutely, I want to organize your closet. When do I not want to organize something? So now you get to do it with me. So we're going to hang out and we're going to organize his closet. The first thought I had was coat hangers because he has mismatched coat hangers and I just wanted to make everything uniform and neat, and there's a lot of stuff in there. So I think I'm going to start by pulling everything out and I'm going to do the coat hangers first because I know that that's just going to be the most satisfying part. This is what we're working with. As you can see, there's lots of mismatched coat hangers, so this has to go. It's going to be completely changed. This apartment is really beautiful, but there's not a lot of great storage in here. I mean, this closet is a reasonable size and it's got fantastic storage. Like the kit that they've built in here I think is quite nice, but I do want to organize it because he's just not utilizing the space. Like look at that gap up there. So I'm going to fold things, I'm going to change out these coat hangers, and it's just, oh, it's going to be such a fun project for today. I picked up a box of 50 felt hangers. They do come in a whole bunch of different colors, but I just went with plain black. I really like felt hangers because they're super compact, so you can fit a lot of them in the wardrobe. And because they're felt, they're a little bit grippy, and I find for some of my dresses and tops and things that have thin straps, they tend to just stay on a whole lot better than wooden or plastic or anything that's sort of a smooth surface. So got a bunch. I think I have more than enough, but we'll give it a go. Coat hangers are unboxed. I have this step ladder. I don't know where this is from. I'm gonna have to ask because I actually really like this and I'll let you know. But it's a very cute, very practical little step ladder, but I'm gonna need this to reach the top shelves because there's no way I'm gonna get up there otherwise. And before I do anything, I'm gonna throw my hair into a ponytail, get it out of my face. I'm gonna put my headphones in and listen to some music, and I'm gonna start pulling everything out. That's everything that was hanging up here before. This is why I love felt coat hangers. They make everything look so neat and it's very, very compact. Look at all this space. There's so much more room here. So now I can actually hang up all of his winter coats and jackets, which were shoved up on this shelf, which then frees up this shelf to put other things in. So I feel like we're off to a really good start. I have made such a mess in here, but once this is all gone, I get rid of these coat hangers, declutter them, it is gonna be so nice. It's gonna be so neat and organized, and it's gonna make things so much easier to get. I'd like to think that that was stage one. I have now completed all of the things that were hanging. They're back in the wardrobe. I just need to start hanging up the things that were on those top shelves. There's a few things on the floor as well, but I am creating so much space. This is going to be so organized when I'm done, and it's just making me so happy. I made a coffee because I need it to get me through. I just need to put it down somewhere. Anyway, I figure I will give you a little bit of an update while I keep organizing. So I'm heading back to Australia in a couple of days, and I called my brother last night just to sort of chat details. So I'm landing in Sydney at 7 a.m-ish or something around that time, and then he and his girlfriend are arriving at 8 a.m. and so my plan is to get there. I'm hoping the flight's not delayed, but if I get there first, then I will go through customs and I will get my bag, all of that sort of stuff, and then head over to the domestic terminal and I will meet them. And then our cousin is picking us up and we will drive to his sister's place, my cousin whose wedding it's going to be, and we'll get to, I don't know, spend a couple days and enjoy the wedding. And I think we get there the day before the wedding, so it's probably just gonna be like my brothers and I and my two cousins cousins, and I think we're just gonna have like a fun little hangout, just our group, and then the next day is the wedding, which I'm really looking forward to. It's gonna be so nice. Like the last time we were all together was back in January at our grandma's funeral, which obviously is a very sad occasion, and so now it's really nice to be able to get together and do something that's really positive and nice, so I'm really looking forward to it. I also did my Abercrombie haul. I did a TikTok and I did upload it here on YouTube as well, so I'll have those linked down below, but I did a haul and then a little try on video as well, and I'm keeping most things. In fact, the jeans that I currently have on are these Sloan jeans. I love them so much. I got another 2 pairs of Sloan pants because they're my favorite pants, and then I'm gonna return a few things, so I think this afternoon, once I've finished all of this, we're gonna go to Abercrombie so that I can return those things. I don't know what I'm going to be doing for the next couple of days, but I guess just preparing myself for the long journey to go home. I absolutely hate the flight back to Australia. It's just so far, but I'm really looking forward to going home, and I think it's going to be nice to finally go back for a bit. Anyway, that's kind of the update. I am going to continue putting all of this away. I'm starting to make some progress. The next thing that I'm going to do is move this shelf down maybe 1 or 2 sections, because the little storage tub that goes in here will only need to really come to about here, and I'm hoping that'll leave enough space up in here for this big tub, because this apartment doesn't really have, as I said, a lot of storage, and there's not really anywhere for linen, and I figured I could take this tub, which had pants in it, and there's only a couple pairs of pants left. I can hang those pants up down here with the other pants, put the sheets and pillowcases and stuff in here, and kind of hide them away up here. So that's the plan. Fingers crossed it works. Okay, let's test this out. I don't think it's gonna work. Nope. It's just slightly too big. I wonder if I can go even one shelf lower. It still won't fit. I could leave this little accessories box up here and then just remove this shelf altogether and just make the storage tub fit in here. Or what I could do is even just move this shelf like way up to the top up here, and then that way there'll still be just an extra piece of shelf up here for something else. That might be the plan. It fits, and there's an extra shelf up the top as well. I did it! Okay, now I get to put all the bedding into the box. I am so close to being done. There was so much stuff on the floor in here. There was a big bag of all the linen that's now up in that tub, and then there was just a few bags of clothes and stuff from when he moved. So I took it all out and I've put it onto the coat hangers. I folded things into piles. I reorganized the accessories drawer. I still have to just redo this little section here, but I'm gonna grab the vacuum and actually just vacuum out the bottom of the cupboard. I think I might actually be done, and there's so much more space than I expected. There's an entire shelf up at the top there and on that side. all of the linen, which was in a huge bag. It looked like it was so much more than what actually fits into that box. I have some shorts, some trackies, and some sweaters folded up here. I've got jackets, t-shirts, pants. On this side, the only organization I did was put all of the button-up shirts onto the same matching hanger that he already had. The thing with suits and shirts like this, they do require a thicker hanger, and these won't really cut it, so I just kept these ones but did reorganize them so that these ones match and they look at least a little bit more organized. And then down the bottom there was just bags of stuff, and I took it all out and I put it into its little place. There's a couple of shoes in here, there's more out near the door, but I can't believe I'm done. The door actually closes properly now. I'm so excited about this. This is what's left over. It looks like absolute carnage, but I'm so excited to be able to throw all of these out and get rid of all the mismatched hangers. It feels so good to declutter those. And then there were 12 coat hangers left over. I might put these up on one of the top shelves so that if he gets anything new or there's anything else stored somewhere that I don't know about, he can put it in there himself. But oh, I'm so happy. It's done, and I am so happy about it. I'm so glad I got to do this. I feel like this has satisfied my need for organizing. I've just been craving rearranging, decluttering, organizing something for the last couple of months, particularly a wardrobe, because I haven't had my own wardrobe for a number of months now. This is so satisfying. Everything has a place. It's so much easier to access. The bags of linen and clothes that were stopping these doors from closing are gone. They've been put away neatly, and everything is on matching coat hangers, and it just makes sense and it looks good. And I'm so happy. I'm so glad that I got to do this. I hope you've enjoyed doing this with me because this was the best. Now I need to figure out what else I can organize. I'm sure he'll let me do whatever I want, but this was so satisfying. I'm so happy about it. So I hope you've enjoyed. I will be vlogging in the next couple of days as well, so I will see you in my next video, and then the next thing you know, I'm gonna be back in Australia. So I hope you have enjoyed, and I will see you next time.